Did you know that the oils you use every single day can either be your body's greatest ally or a silent enemy to your health? The difference is huge, and it all comes down to whether you're using heavily refined industrial oils or pure, cold-pressed, nutrient-rich ones. Refined oils go through high heat, chemical treatments, and heavy filtration. This strips away natural antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, leaving behind harmful trans fats and oxidized compounds. Over time, these contribute to chronic inflammation, cardiovascular disease, and metabolic imbalances. In other words, the longer you rely on refined oils, the more your body pays the price. That's why at The Well-Being's Way, where ancient wisdom of nutrition and health meets the modern way of living, we carefully select only the very best. Every product we feature has passed through strict criteria: pure, natural, cold-pressed, virgin, unrefined, non-GMO, free from additives and artificial ingredients. Many of them are award-winning, handcrafted in small organic farms, and made with care. Here are some outstanding oils that stand out for both flavor and health benefits. 1. Premium organic high-phenolic Greek extra virgin olive oil, exceptionally rich in polyphenols and antioxidants, known to support heart health, circulation, and reduce inflammation. Winner of 18 international awards. Olive oil from Greece, island of Crete, cold-pressed, certified extra virgin olive oil with protected designation of origin. Authentic taste of Crete, supporting cardiovascular wellness. 3. 100% pure avocado oil spray. Perfect for high-heat cooking and baking, rich in healthy fats and vitamin E. Keto-friendly, kosher, and designed for everyday convenience. 4. Organic toasted sesame oil, the gold standard in taste. Sesame oil has been valued for centuries as a natural source of lignans, supporting hormone balance and bone health. 5. Cold-pressed extra virgin sunflower oil, high oleic, grown in Georgia, USA. This unrefined oil is high in oleic acid, boosting metabolism and immune support. Certified Whole30, non-GMO, keto, paleo, and gluten-free. 6. Algae cooking oil, premier culinary blend, a modern breakthrough in healthy cooking. With 90% monounsaturated omega-9 fats and very low omega-6, it supports heart health and helps restore fatty acid balance in the diet. You'll find direct links to all of these oils in the description below. And if you'd like to go even deeper, including learning about healthy oils for external use on skin and hair, you'll also find a link to our full blog post. Choose wisely. Nourish your body with nature's purest gifts and live in balance. Because true health starts with what you put on your plate.